What if the biggest problem with high blood sugar isn't your pancreas, but rusty locks on your cells? And what if the key to cleaning those locks is already sitting in your spice cabinet? In the next few minutes, you'll first understand the real rusty lock problem that most medications don't fully address. Then, I'll reveal the single seed with surprising scientific backing and its dual action mechanism. Finally, you'll get the exact, research-informed protocol for use and a crucial medical warning. By the end, you'll have a science-based perspective on this ancient remedy and know how to approach it safely. Insulin resistance is often a signaling failure at the cell's door, not just a lack of insulin. Imagine insulin as a key and your cell walls as doors with locks, receptors. In type 2 diabetes, those locks get gummy and rusty. They stop responding to the key. Glucose, sugar, is left stranded in your bloodstream, causing damage, no matter how many keys, insulin, you have. It's like pumping more gas into a car with a clogged fuel line. The problem isn't the gas tank, pancreas. It's the delivery system. Cleaning the line, improving sensitivity, is as crucial as having fuel. Shift your mindset from just how do I lower sugar to how do I improve my cell's sensitivity. Discuss metrics like HOMA IR with your doctor to assess insulin resistance. Coriander seeds contain bioactive compounds that may target both insulin production and insulin sensitivity. Peer-reviewed studies, primarily in animal models so far, suggest compounds like linalool and flavonoids in coriander seeds may gently encourage the pancreas to produce insulin, activate enzymes and pathways like GLUT4 translocation that help muscle and liver cells absorb glucose from the blood more effectively. A study in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found coriander seed extract exhibited significant anti-hyperglycemic effects in diabetic rats, supporting its traditional use. Source whole, dry coriander seeds, not ground powder. The whole seeds preserve the volatile oils where much of the potency lies. Proper preparation maximizes the extraction of active compounds. Lightly crush 2 tablespoons of whole coriander seeds to crack them open. Add 1 stick of Ceylon cinnamon, true cinnamon, which has its own blood sugar modulating properties. Place the mix in a glass jar with 1 liter of room temperature or warm, not boiling water. Boiling can destroy delicate compounds. Cover and let it steep for 8 to 12 hours. The water will turn a light amber color. Strain and drink 1 glass, 250 ml first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, and another glass 30 minutes before your last meal of the day. This is a potent preparation. If you are on diabetes medication, especially insulin or sulfonylureas, this combination can cause dangerously low blood sugar, hypoglycemia. You must consult your doctor before trying this. Monitor your blood glucose levels closely. This is for educational discussion, not a replacement for medical advice. We identified insulin resistance as a rusty lock problem, explored coriander seeds' potential to clean those locks and nudge the pancreas, and outlined a safe preparation method with a non-negotiable doctor's warning. This isn't about magic. It's about understanding powerful natural mechanisms that can complement a holistic approach to metabolic health under professional supervision. In the comments, tell me, what's been your biggest hurdle in managing healthy blood sugar levels? Is it diet consistency, exercise motivation, or something else? In our next lecture, we descend into your gut, the control room for cravings,